We can drizzle our caramel on it. Now that's what you call a drink, baby. What you saying, gals? Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we live life the affordable way. We have another episode of Bahamas Diaries today. In today's Bahamas Diaries, we're gonna be making a caramel frappe, something nice and soothing for summer. So right now we gotta go to the store because I need one of the things. So y'all know we always gotta do a store run. We just have to. So we're going to the store to get the stuff that we need. I have some stuff home, but I just want to pick up, you know, 1 or 2 more stuff. So I taking y'all with me. Gonna make it someday, gonna be somebody's. Mommy, don't worry, just you and me. One day we will get out of this misery. Y'all, so we reached to the store. Let me tell y'all, I'm always stressing that. Y'all see how hot it is, and I mean hot. But we reached to the store now, so we're gonna get some stuff to make this thing. My bag. Now we get our trolley, so y'all, let's go get some stuff. Alright y'all, so we're in the store now. First things first, we gotta get some milk. See right here in our face. I don't see no almond milk. Oh, see that. Check my list, see what else we gotta get. Caramel, let's go look for some caramel. Let me tell you, because you much vloggers in Bahamas when you're vlogging, everybody's be looking at you and make you feel so wet. But we ain't gonna let that affect us today. Today, I look for y'all. It's being a job.
Like for like ice cream and stuff like that?
Yeah, like when it's put inside the shake. Y'all, they gonna check to see if they have any caramel, but they look like they have no caramel, and we need caramels to make the drink look pretty. So what we can do? You see? I see everything else for caramel. We might have to go all the way up Moniqua, and that's another far drive. So hopefully they find it. Let me give y'all an update. The man come back. It actually wasn't no caramel in this one. So now I gotta drive to the Moniqua. So now I have to drive to the Moniqua grocery store to find caramel. And it's so far. Not that far, but still. Like, come on, man. To find things, you gotta really drive this place, that place, and the next place just to find one thing. But I did get the almond milk because I had no almond milk, so now I didn't get caramel because we just need the thing to look a little pretty, and then we go home and make the drink. Okay, y'all, so we reached to the next Solomon's. This is the one down. Y'all, let's hope they have this caramel what I need, because if we don't get no caramel, how we can make our drink look pretty, you know what I mean? So we need caramel. Oh boy. I hope we don't gotta walk all about to find it. Good day.
Good afternoon.
So let's see what they got. So we can walk all through the aisles. It have to be through cookies or something. Candy, Gatorade. Must see through crackers, eh? Man, the sauce have me lost, you know. This real shopping chronicles. And I don't see no help on the floor with the people who work here. Must see through, yeah. Okay, I won't get copyright, so let me talk to y'all later. Y'all, we find it. We find it after all looking for I don't know, cheap. Cheap, $4.99. So we can use the Smuckers. Now we can cash out and head home. Okay, y'all, so we back home and we got everything we need to make this caramel frappe. Got our almond milk, unsweetened, of course. This is just some stuff for the buy to cook later. We got our creamer. We got our coffee. Can't forget the caramel. We've been looking for all day. Literally. That's how much we're digging for that. And we got our caramel syrup. Can't forget whipped cream. And we get our whipped cream ready whip. Y'all, I'm so excited because it's my first time making this, but I always just find like little coffee shops and buy this, so I'm excited to try, you know, this summer drink because it's hot. Okay, I show y'all all the products we need to make this coffee. So now let me get my blender. This is the blender that we are going to use, a Magic Bullock Mini. Can y'all believe this is my first blender? Let's do unboxing quick. This is literally my first blender that I ever got. And I got this because your girl, she will lose weight. So this is the Magic Bullock blender. Comes with the mini cup. I feel like this is so convenient. Comes with the mini, I think this is the power and device. And it comes with a regular size cup, blending cup. Okay, so there's all our pieces that come with it. No, very nice, simple, easy. I like simple, easy stuff. Not a bit unboxed our Magic blender. Y'all see, really mini. So let's get this show on the roll. Let me get my ice. And I want this cold. I talking cold. So we're gonna go in with our almond milk. Go in with some caramel. Creamer. Need that syrup inside that, so we just can put like 4 pumps. Come on for the road. little bit of caramel syrup just because y'all can see how much I love caramel. I don't know why, I just love it. And then we going in with Javy Coffee. Now y'all remember when I unboxed this. Javy Coffee makes life so much easier. You don't have to brew. All you gotta do is add it into whatever milk or base you have, and it's very rich in flavor. So we love us some Javy. Put it on tight, girl. I wonder if I had enough ice. Y'all think we had enough? Let's check it. Okay, perfect. Y'all, it's perfect. It's perfect like I wanted. So let's get our cup ready. This is the little cup, so let's put some little caramel around the cup. When I tell y'all I buy this like crazy. Like crazy. So why not make it yourself? So then we can add our mixture. Oh my god, I can't be this excited. Like what? Okay. Y'all. Oh my god. This is amazing. Now we can drizzle our caramel on it. Now that's what you call a drink, baby. Let's get a picture. Homemade, sweetie. Back cover on top. We need that. Get our straw, because we need our straw. Let's taste. Let's taste now. Y'all know bussin'? Y'all see how easy this was to make? Let me tell y'all, this coffee brand right here, Javy, I totally recommend. I always talk about this coffee brand. They make life so much easy. Very rich in taste. Very easy. The only thing you gotta do is pour it in. You don't have to brew. You don't have to soak your beans. You don't gotta do none of that. The only thing you do is pour. And I have a special code for y'all where y'all can get 20% off if you purchase this Javy coffee right now today. When I tell y'all, y'all see how easy it's supposed to make? Make life easier and save some money at it. You can make the same thing home without going to Starbucks. So now we have our nice summer coffee for this hot weather. So I hope y'all enjoy this Bahamas Diaries series. Make sure to subscribe for the next episode.